All right, I like to start on the chassis. This way, I know exactly what I got. Plus, I've always been a huge fan of doing all the suspension work first, then putting the car on, setting the car up where I want it to be. And I just think it makes more sense than doing an engine and transmission and then realizing, oh, it doesn't hook up because you're making too much power. So that's where we're at.
Right there, speed. Look at that, around the corner.
All right.
I'm gonna take the front end up. I'm gonna put jack stands under it. That way it's just easier to take apart the whole front end. And of course you'll see my blazing speed at this. Just hold on, because it's gonna get quick.
Just so you guys know, I'm not using air because I don't have any air in the shop.
That's devastating speed. Now all you need is impact. Look at that. Look at that. Thing of beauty. Cruising right along. Gas lines out of the way. Emergency brake cable off. Get rid of the brake lines now. Here we go. It's all coming apart. That little tab is for the automatic, for the shifter. Comes down from the column to the transmission. That's how it makes the 90. Cutting the brake lines. We don't need them, so just get rid of them. Time to take out the rear end. Insert your favorite noises there. This trailing arm's being stubborn, so what I had to do was push the rear end down, get the spring out to relieve the pressure on the bolt. Took out the other side. Now that it's out, I can get that bolt out. Now the bolt comes out, rear end comes down, rear end's out. Put the chassis back on the ground. And done.
All right, so I took the front end apart. I didn't think you guys would want to see that because you really want to see what's going to happen. The next step, we're going to put the frame on the chassis table, and then I'm going to start cleaning it up so I can get bracing in there and a new transmission cross member. Now, I didn't eat my Wheaties this morning, so I had to enlist some help from the guys. So they're going to put it on there, and then I'm going to laugh at them and point. So here we go. Up on Gawa. Awesome. Thank you, gentlemen. Should be okay. Cool.
Forward, backward, anything?
No, we're good because what I'm going to have to do is make some stanchions so I can lock down the front. I'll tack the frame to the tubing, and when it was on the jacks, it's got a little bit of a tweak in it. Yeah. I'll pull it all down and lock it down because what I'm going to do next is box it, and then I'm going to do bracing that comes out and comes down.